What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the mods and accessories that I have added to my Jeep. This is a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. I bought it back at the end of 2019. I bought it used, obviously, and some of these mods were already on here when I bought it, so let's go over them. The person who owned this before me just drove the crap out of this, and it had so many problems with it. Literally like 3 days after I bought it, the check engine light came on and I had to buy a whole new gas tank and a whole bunch of other stuff, and it was like $4 grand. The undercarriage is so rusted. Actually, this side doesn't look too bad, but it's really rusted. I definitely in the future want to get the undercarriage fixed because that's what causes most of the problems. Here's a better angle from this side. Lots of rust. Absolutely terrible. Also, I just noticed this today, there's a nail in my tire. The first thing that I did was I put a shark grill on it, but I do still have the original one. This is the original front bumper. I just detailed it so it looks really nice right now, but it's usually gray like that. But I'm going to be doing a Jeep build series, and a new front bumper is a definite. Also, LED headlights. These were already on it when I bought it, but obviously they are aftermarket. They're really bright. Moving on to the tires. These are 33-inch Falcon tires. I bought these 2 years ago. I definitely want to get 35-inch tires, but these will do for now. The rocker guards, rocker panel, whatever it's called, that was already on there when I bought it. Same with this right here on both sides, some kind of protection armor. That was also already on it when I bought it. It also has tinted windows. I love the tinted windows, except can't see anything at night out the side windows. Also, my spare tire is also 33 inches, so I have 5 of the same tires. I always would recommend getting the spare tire in whatever size you get tires in. Also, I think this Jeep, I think it came with a soft top and the person swapped it out with a hard top, so that's nice because I really wanted a hard top. That was a must-have for me. Alright, that's it for the outside. Moving on to the inside. The first thing I did to the inside was get a 67 design phone mount. It extends, you can move it in any direction, up, down. I just had to take out the rubber piece that was up there in order to make that fit. Also, I have carbon fiber interior trim all along here and here. It's also right there and there. It's kind of dark. I have it right here, and it's also on the steering wheel. Obviously this is fake, it's just plastic. And one of my favorite things, the LED lights. I got LED lights in the front and back on the inside because I drive at night a lot and I could never see anything in here when I got out when I needed to grab it. So those LED lights are great. The stock lights suck. They're just useless. Like, why are they even there? But I got these ones. They were like $7 on Amazon and they just went out. Don't mind the cicadas, they're just not cooperating with me with this YouTube video. They work great. They are so bright, so much better than the stock ones. The stock ones are pretty much useless. You can't see anything with them on the inside. These ones are great, I love them. The very back one, I couldn't get it back in all the way, so it's just hanging out a little bit. It's not in all the way, I couldn't get it. And I also painted these to match the color of my Jeep. Also, have some grab handles. I just missed it. Replay that. I have grab handles here on all 4 doors except the back one over here. My mom decided to get in one day and she pulled it off and it ripped. Obviously it wasn't her fault, it was just dry rotted, I guess. But I did get new handles, rough country ones, and that's going to be part of the Jeep build series that I do, so stay tuned for that. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, press the subscribe button. If you have any ideas on mods or accessories I should get, comment them down below. I will be doing a Jeep build series, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next one.